I just got into some Euro JPY buys on that pullback right there. But currently waiting for some gold buys, as you guys can see on that pullback. So let's wait and see what happens. Alright, y'all. So prices is pulling back. Looking to add in some more positions on Euro JPY. This is the 15-minute. So I'm looking to add in some more positions. So let's wait and see what happens. I was looking to add in some more positions, but you guys can see that the 1 hourly is actually looking weird. So when I take it to the 15 minutes, you guys could see that prices looks like it's rejecting. I'm not gonna add on any positions for now, just to be on the safe side. Let me wait for this news to be released. And gold just approached my zone, you guys could see. I'm waiting for the momentum change towards the upside and the transformation, and then I could get in on this trade, right? So let's wait and see what happens. But currently I'm not adding on any positions on Euro JPY. Alright, y'all, so just added on some more positions right there. This is 0.2, 0.2. So let's wait and see what happens on this one. Alright, y'all, so Euro JPY is actually acting crazy currently. But these are the setups that I take on a daily. I'm moving with the overall trend. If I take you to the 4 hourly, you guys could actually see that I'm moving with the overall trend, which is towards the upside. Alright, y'all, so my gold trade just approached my zone, and I see some buyers stepping in, but it's not enough. That's not the momentum that I want. I want to look at how fast the buyers are actually pushing the sellers back. So I'm currently waiting to see what the sellers think about this. I think I'm gonna get sellers right around this area. Let's wait and see how the sellers come in. If they come in aggressively, then I'm leaving this trade. But if they come in retardedly and I see buyers stepping in, I may get into this trade right around that area. But if this guy is coming aggressive like the way you see this candlestick and this candlestick right there, I'm definitely leaving this trade. So let's wait and see what happens. A 4 hour Euro JPY trade is actually pushing. When I take it to the 4 hourly, you can see that it's actually looking pretty beautifully. Chances are high that we could hit this high right there. I'll be looking at the speeds. The first, I'm gonna collect one position right there, and if I see like it's playing too much, then I'll close off all my positions. Let's wait and see if this thing could give me actually a 1 to 3. Let me actually keep my 1 to 2 right there, because I don't want to mess up things right there. If it hits right there, that is my 1 to 2. I'll be taking it obviously. And if I see speed, this speed continuing, then I'll have to hold this trade all the way up to there. So standing by. On the other hand, my gold trade, I see sellers stepping in. So let's wait and see. Alright, y'all, so I'm seeing a change of structure in gold currently. My Euro JPY trade is still standing by at that resistance, so waiting for it to break out. Let's wait and see what happens. But I'm gonna get in on some gold buys. Let's go. Alright, y'all, just got in on some gold buys right there, as you guys can see. I had waited for this pullback, so I just stepped in. Let's go to the 15 minutes and see. So you guys can see on the 15-minute, my Euro JPY trade just broke out. Currently standing by. My Euro JPY trade still going. Hopefully I'm about to collect one position right around that area. I'm finna close one position right around there, and my second take profit will be up there at 165.091. So let's wait and see what happens, guys. Alright, Euro JPY just hit our zone, so as you know, gotta close one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and close one trade on Euro JPY, as I told you guys. So close one trade. Alright, so yeah, let's wait and see what happens. So the next trade, I'm hoping to close it right around that area, as you guys could see. So let's wait and see if prices could keep this momentum pushing towards the upside. Yeah, I'll be looking to collect profit right around that area. Standing by. Let's wait and see what happens next. Gold still playing around, but if this candlestick closes the way it is, still having some hopes that it will push towards the upside. So let's wait and see. Alright, y'all, so gold trade just launched. Literally since London session, this thing has been consolidating. So it's currently 13 New York Open. I was kind of getting worried about this one, but after seeing this week right here, I was like, okay, probably it may push towards the upside. So let's wait and see what happens. I'm also looking out for some US 30 sells, but The way I'm saying this is kind of too bullish. Let's wait and see, because the volume is still down, and you know what goes down with US that is if the volume rises, then usually prices follow the side that is with the volume. So yeah, just stepped into New York session. Let's wait and see what happens with US 30. Oh man, the US 30 trade, damn, it looks like it's leaving me. So I'm currently waiting for prices. If prices just give me a little bit of pullback, I'll be ready to get in. But I don't think this will come in, because look, I actually waited for the same thing yesterday. Prices literally just kept on pushing, and I usually want to get into prices after this candlestick closes. This thing happened to me yesterday. I missed out on this trade. I was like, let me wait for it to pull back, and it just gave me a tiny pullback right around that area. It didn't come back, so it has just pulled back today, and look at where it is right now. So I'm just waiting. If I see any kind of pullback in, I'm getting in right there, and placing my stop loss right around that area. So let's wait and see, because I can get in right there. I want to get into prices where I could hit a 1 to 2 on the next low, and if I'm getting in right around that area, I'm not getting my 1 to 2. So let's wait and see. Currently, that's how my gold trade is standing, and I'm still in the Euro JPY trade. Let me show you guys real quick. Damn, I actually didn't see this, but I'm still in this one. Yeah, I'm still in this one. Good thing I actually closed off some profits right there. Let me see if it hit my stop loss. Not yet. It didn't hit my stop loss. Beautiful. But I'm still in this one. So let's wait and see. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one to break even. I actually didn't realize that we had some like this, guys. Let me actually see if my position hasn't been taken off, guys, real quick. My Euro JPY trade is still in. Let me go ahead and change my position real quick. Put it to break even, cause I don't know, this thing has actually came in first 994. All right, so let me modify that real quick, and gold is actually going haywires, but I want to hold this one as I showed you guys my targets and everything. So let's wait and see if it takes me out. I've put this shit to break even, so let's just keep on waiting and see what just happens. All right, that's how your stat is looking currently. Let's wait and see what happens. For gold, I think I'm just gonna accept the loss. It looks like this is gonna be our first loss of the day, man. Look at how that candlestick actually engulfed all these green candlesticks. It is what it is. Let's wait and see what happens. Alright guys, I'm literally ashamed of myself. This is the gold trade that you are seeing currently, and when prices approach this area, I pulled my stop losses right around that area, and I got stopped out, man. Crazy. And literally just after stopping me out, prices just launched towards my upside. So I really got to deal with this. I literally don't do these things, but I don't know what's wrong. So I gotta fix this. I actually had to record this because I could have easily say that, oh, look at my trade, it went into profit, but I had to record this just to tell myself never to do this again, because my stop loss initially was supposed to be right down there, but this is a mistake that I got to correct, but it's all good. So guys, as you guys know me, I literally trade with momentum. So you can see that we've had a momentum shift from the buyers to the sellers, and look at how this rejection, this zone right there, has been rejected very aggressively. That I'm gonna close this trade. All right, so just closed. Let me actually change this, because I have to study this during the weekend. So all right, so I closed there at a 1 to 2, and I also closed right around this area at a 1 to 1. So yeah, literally that is what I did on Euro JPY. Lost out on gold, and I'm waiting for US 30 to drop. I don't know, gold has literally made me run mad, guys. No way about that. All right guys, just woke up. This is my US 30 trade. Still consolidating a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do my analysis real quick. Looking out for some possible NZD sells. Alright y'all, so I'm currently spotting out some more gold buys. It's a Wednesday, so let's wait and see what happens on these ones. Alright, y'all, so I'm currently looking out for some Euro JPY buys. Alright, so I just got in right there, and I'm gonna get in on some gold buys real quick in a minute. Alright, so I just got in right there. Let's wait and see what happens on this one. Alright, y'all, so that's the gold trade right there. Looking beautiful, and on the other hand, that's the Euro JPY trade. Yeah, currently a resistance, but hopefully it will work out. So let's wait and see what goes out with these trades. Alright, my US30 trade is going crazy, guys. I'm also preparing for some NZD card sales, but I haven't got what I really want to see. But I'm looking out for some NZD card sales, and probably if I don't get NZD card, I was looking at AUD card, but the bullish candlesticks on AUD card are actually bigger than the ones on NZD card. As you guys can see, we had a rejection right here on NZD, but on AUD we actually have an engulfing. Okay, it's not an engulfing, but it's a bigger candlestick compared to NZD. So let me stick to NZD card sales and wait and see, since we are actually at a low that was recently broken. I'm on the 1 hourly time frame. Let's wait and see if selling pressure could drop in and we could get in those sales. Alright, so I just registered in some NZD card sales right there. Let's wait and see what happens. Whew, guys, just came back home currently. You guys could see that gold is actually playing too much. It actually came back all the way right here and pushed back up. Chances are that it will push back, but I'm gonna close off some positions. This is a beautiful 1-to-1 already. I can see that this is a 1-to-1. I'm gonna close off, and on the other hand we have NZD card sell right there, 1 hourly time frame, just launched into our position. I would say today market is relatively slow, but it's all good. You can see that the volume is kind of rising up, and let's wait and see what happens on this trade. The other trade was Euro JPY, right? And this is how currently it's standing. I have actually bigger hopes for this one. Yeah, I have bigger hopes for this one. As you guys remember yesterday, I closed my positions right there. So currently I'm waiting for this thing to launch all the way to that resistance. I'm not gonna close this one. I actually closed one position. Yeah, I closed one position right around here. So anything that happens, risk off. Let's wait and see what happens on this one. And I have US30 sales that I took yesterday. Let's see how it's doing. Currently also playing, man. I don't know what's wrong with US30. It's playing a lot at this resistance zone. It may not continue towards the downside, because you can see that the buyers are taking higher prices, and it could take this thing towards the outside. I'm gonna give it more 3 hours and see how it digests. If it still plays around, I'm gonna close it off. So that's how we're currently standing. Alright, yo, some crazy stuff is going on. Look at what the Euro JPY is doing, but I'm gonna hold this one. I'm gonna put my stops to break even right here. And then this is what US30 is doing. I still got some time on this one, so let's wait and see what happens. And this is how US30 is currently standing. I'm about to close some positions. Real quick. I'm actually gonna close all because this shit has played too much right around there. So that's why just give me a few pips and I'm gonna close this one. Alright, yo, just closed my US30 trade right there. I actually closed at a 1.7. I didn't reach my 1 to 2 bar. It's all good. Let's wait for another trade because this trade has been playing too much, and you can see that it's still playing. It may create another lower low, but let me first exit this one real quick. And my Euro JPY trade, that's how we're standing currently. And let's wait and see what's happening on that one real quick. And then NZD card, that's how we're standing currently. Also playing a little bit, but let's wait and see what happens in a few hours. I may have to hold this one during the night. Alright, yo, look at what gold just did during the night. I was lucky to close this right off right around that zone. And this is what's up with the US30 trade. I closed it right around there. You can see that it's still playing. You can see that the buyer is actually weak. I may look to get into some more further sales, but let's just wait and see. But you can see that the buyers are coming in very slow. Probably New York. It's currently a Thursday. Let's wait and see what happens. So NZD card, still holding this one. Little bit slow, but I'm still holding this one. Yeah, let's wait. Currently this is the only trade that I have. Yeah, so that's the NZD card sell, as you guys could see. Had to hold this one during the night, but yeah, it's take profit. I still got some more positions that I'm holding on this one, so I'll be updating you guys on the next video. So make sure you hit the like button and everything. Let's go.